morning, everybody. It is an absolutely blustery day here in the Great White North. It hasn't stopped snowing in the last 24 hours. And it's supposed to continue for the rest of this weekend. Today is Friday. My oldest is home on a PA day, and my husband works. I'm a stay-at-home mom. We just woke up. I just finished my coffee. I have shoveling, a lot of shoveling to do. So I thought for everyone I'm 6 hours away from Nunavut? No, Northwest Territories. Good golly, the coffee hasn't got up here yet. But yeah, I thought I would just give everybody a little taste of a winter wonderland and just take you along with our cozy, snowy winter at home day. And then I'll show you the peppers. This is Marlowe. M-A-R-L-O. Sounds like the wine Merlot, but Marlowe. But she's also known as Peanut because she's the color of peanut butter. And that's Midnight. She's our resident puppy, but she's no longer a puppy because she's one. And then we've got two more dogs actually downstairs that are in their crates having their breakfast. So yeah, well, first off, I need to get dressed, and then we're going to go down and brave this abominable snow situation. Like I shoveled this yesterday and it looks like nothing has been done. This is our garage. I'm in my bedroom and you can't hardly tell. That's an awful view. Sorry, there's a screen, but you can't even tell I did anything. These are the days that you wish you had a snowblower, honestly. Okay, I got dressed. This is slept in bedhead hair, but it's just gonna get even more tangly and stuff. So I'm just gonna probably put it in a really loose braid or something just to keep it on my face so that when I'm outside, it doesn't matter and I will deal with my hair another day. But I do need to put moisturizer on so I'm not, it's harsh. The cold can be harsh with your skin. So I shall do that. I wonder what it's like for you guys, whoever comes across this video. If you feel comfortable, let me know where you're from. Like the city that's closest. I would love to know. This moisturizer has UV protection, so it's like a sunscreen, but it's also good for blue light, like the light that comes off of your technology. It's really nice. It's not chemical smelling. So also, I don't think I introduced myself. My name is Jenny. I am 29. I am from originally Ontario, Canada, and I live currently in northern Alberta, close to Grand Prairie. Make sure I got it all in. I think we're good. And I have 2 boys, 4 dogs, 1 cat, and I have a husband. Used to do office work, used to be a dog groomer, and I'm a medium. Talk to dead people a little bit. And then also I do graphic design. Jack of all trades. So yeah, I do lots of stuff. The purpose of these videos is to flex my muscles with video making. I went to college in Oshawa, Ontario back in 2013 to 2016, and I did the journalism course that they had available, and this is my passion, doing these types of little videos that like come with me. I guess like daily vlogging for some, or like documentary style, or just like talk to camera. It's really fun for me and stuff that I used to do, and I just want to do it again, so here we are. Anyways, now I have to let out the dogs, get the kids ready, and then I will take you outside to show you how blue and white it is and how bright it is, because it's basically a snowstorm, so there is hardly any like sunlight, but it's daytime, so like it's a little bright. And yeah, here we go. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Go play. I mean, it may not look like much, but considering it's been pretty steady. Can you see it? Is the camera even picking it up? The snow falling, can you see that? Okay. I'm going to set you guys up on a time lapse to watch me do this. We plug in our cars so that the block doesn't crack and, you know, the engine will be okay. See why I put the moisturizer on? It protects my face because I've got snow in my eyelashes. Okay. I'm hot and I'm mouth breathing. Ew. Sorry for your ears. But yeah, this is how far I got. But if you can see the difference in how much snow from this to that, we got like 4 inches just in one night, and it's still coming. Like, I'll show you my walk up to my front door, and it was clear. Like, you could see the ground, you could see the pavement. I hope you can see. I don't even know what I'm showing you. Crazy. Anyways, I am going to put my phone in my pocket because I don't want it to freeze. And I will catch back with you guys once I'm done the sidewalk and the front door. And maybe I'll show you the Christmas decorations when they're turned on. You think I'd be freezing, but I'm actually hot. That's why this is all frozen. It's my sweat. I always joke with my like friends or my husband, who needs a gym membership when you can shovel? Because you're got all these layers on, and it's a workout. It's a workout to do this stuff. And I helped out the neighbors. I did their sidewalk because when you live in the town, you have to do the walkway. So it hardly looks like I did anything. So there we go. There's Marlo. So now I have to do the car. Oh, and I'll show you our part of our Christmas setup. Now it's daytime, of course, so you're not really going to see the full effect, but we got the little bells, and then we got the little Santa guy. Oh my gosh, can you see who's in the window? Can you see? That's so funny. Hi, bud. And I've got like lights throughout the bushes that wrap around the house and stuff, but we still have the ones to put up on the eaves trough, and we have snowflakes. Just letting her have an outside break, because you don't have a double coat, you just have your fur. Hey, Marlo. Yes. Yes. For anybody that wants to know, she's a dog de Bordeaux. She is a French Mastiff. Yes. Yes. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna fall. Good girl. Yes. Always the bestest girl. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna go get the broom to the car and try not to fall. Good girl. Some of you might be asking, well, why didn't you just do the car first? Now you have to shovel again. I'm going to shovel again in a couple hours anyways, so this is just part of the game. No big deal. Just more to do again later. Is it important to clean off your car? Because if there's an emergency and you need it to heat up quick, you want to be able to get in. Your cars can freeze up. If it got a little bit warmer, everything would melt and become ice. goodness. Did you guys hear that? Alright, well, I don't know if you did, but I'll have to replay and see this. But if not, there was a lady walking her dogs, and the dogs did not like Marlo, and then they started going at each other. I thought the lady was going to get pulled over because it's slippy on the road, and she's walking on the road because the sidewalks aren't done because everybody's either at work or whatever. Anyways, I was like, do you need some help? Like, I don't want her to fall. Oh, that's sad. My hat keeps falling off. Oh, lordy. Anyways, yeah, it looks like I hardly did a thing. So there's that. Because it's coming down as fast as I'm shoveling it, so. I think it's time to warm up. There, Marlo. What do you think? Do we go inside? I think so. Okay. I'll see you later.